Hello everyone, this is an unplanned video and this video is about my Samsung Galaxy tag. What is the purpose of a tag? It will help me to find my things, right? But suddenly, a few moments ago, I noticed that I can't find my tag. I am inside Samsung Smart Things, which is the software used to find my tag, is can't locate my tag anywhere. I was in my room, my tag was not there, so I am going to move to another room of mine where I keep my bags. These two are the only locations in my home where my tag can be found. So I hope my SmartThing app will surely find my tag now. Let's see what is happening. I am tapping on my tag interface is open and it's saying it's not near me. This is almost 1 a.m. at night, okay, 10:52, and my software is telling me it has seen my tag almost 7 hours ago. I can easily remember this is the backpack I have used to go out today. So my tag must be inside this bag. But Samsung Galaxy Smart Things app is not helping me. It is not saying anything. Let me check out my bag. This is normally where I put my tag. Okay, yes, I found it. I found it. This is my Galaxy tag. But what is going on? The tag looks fine. This is the tag, this is a smart thing, but my smart things can't locate my tag. What's going on? I am going to search it again from the beginning. Same result, not near you. What is going on? This is the object or device that was designed to find my tag. Okay, battery was sufficient 7 hours ago. Sufficient means over 75% battery. So it is not possible to it is not possible my tag is ran out of battery. I am making this a one shot video. This is a unplanned video. This is a one shot video so that you can understand what I am facing. Now I am going back to my workstation to check the tag. Let's start. What is happening? What's the problem? Is it software related or is it hardware related? How can my battery died in 7 hours? A Galaxy Tag battery should be supposed to last for 1 year. As you can understand, I don't have a tripod for this video because I started shooting it immediately. I have no planning to shoot this video, so I am trying to open my Galaxy Tag with one hand, one finger, which is very tough. Oh, give me some time. By the way, this voice is a voiceover. I am recording this voice after recording the video because it was not possible to record my audio at the time of shooting. I am having so much difficulty. Yes, it is opening a little more pressure, a little more. Okay, it's opening. At last, this is the battery. It seems fine. Let's remove it and insert it again. I hope it will solve the issue. Okay, I remove the battery. This is my Galaxy tag, model number, everything. I placed the battery again and tapping the button, but there is nothing, no response, nothing. Let's check the condition in SmartThing app very soon. I don't understand what is happening. This tag is designed to keep my phone safe, also my valuable safe, because you can sorry because you can use this tag to locate your valuables. Fortunately, I have a replacement battery in my home. For the sake of certainty, I am going to use another battery to see if the battery is the culprit or not. This is a CR2032 model battery. Let's remove the Maxell battery again, put this replacement battery. I am pressing the button. Okay, nothing. So my Galaxy tag suddenly died. Samsung, what is this? Few months ago you stopped me from using my Galaxy tag for the sake of firmware updating. Now my Galaxy tag suddenly died. It was supposed to keep my valuables safe. It was supposed to track me, track my phone, track my bag. How can this device died? I don't understand. If you have faced similar problem, please feel free to comment. Thank you for watching.